The content creation industry is rapidly growing, and you can see all these camera companies coming out with gears, equipment, and all other such accessories. And today we have with ourselves two such fancy camera gears that we think might interest you. We got a chance to try out the latest offerings from Zhiyun, the Smooth Q3 and the Weebill 2. So let's take a closer look at these gimbals. Hello everyone, this is Robin here from Gadgets 360, and without any further delay, let's jump right into this video.
Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road all on my own.
So let's start with the unboxing of the Zhiyun Smooth Q3. You get a couple of accessories and some basic paperwork inside the box. Besides that, you also get a carry case which you can use to store and travel around with the gimbal. You get some more documentation inside the carry case, and finally, the Smooth Q3 in all its glory. This gimbal is quite compact and it's also a 3-axis gimbal. A 3-axis gimbal basically stabilizes the tilt, pan and roll of a camera. So if you move side to side, up and down, back and forth, the gimbal stabilizes the video even if you are shaky. It also has some features that will be very helpful to vloggers. To the front of the gimbal, you have a flash that can help you light up your face if the lighting of a certain location isn't apt. The flash also has a couple of intensity settings, so you can set that according to the conditions by tapping above it. There is of course a learning curve with equipments like this, but we really enjoyed the ease of usage on this gimbal. It has a slightly inclined grip and the button controls on this are very user friendly. Before starting up, you will have to adjust the clamps a little, and after that you can mount your smartphone on it and it should be good to go. You can use any iPhone on it, and most of the leading Android smartphones are also supported. There are some predefined modes inbuilt into the gimbal that we loved using, such as object tracking, instant dolly zoom and a couple of other features. The Q3 is quite light and weighs at just 340 grams, and it can take up a smartphone that weighs up to 280 grams. As for the battery, the device takes 3 hours to charge from 0 to 100 and can give you a battery backup of about 15 hours. The Smooth Q3 will cost you Rs 9,000 and you can buy it from Amazon or Zhiyun's official website. Now let's take a look at the second product that Zhiyun launched at its event. The second gimbal that was launched at the event is the Weebill 2. It's a more professional approach to the gimbal tech. The Weebill 2 is the company's DSLR gimbal. This gimbal will definitely stand out from the plethora of devices from before. And you may ask why? Well, for starters, this one comes with a 2.88-inch HD flip-out screen that can control both the gimbal and the camera. Oh, and I forgot to mention that it is also a touch screen. The Weebill 2 is designed to mount high-end cameras on it with their heavy lenses and accessories. The gimbal is definitely hefty, especially when we compare it to the Smooth Q3. One other thing to keep in mind is that you will also have to calculate the total weight with the camera and its lens installed. So it will be a bit tough to shoot for longer hours with this gimbal. You also get an adjustable grip which is really useful for such situations so that you do not feel much fatigue. The grip is removable and can be mounted upwards or downwards depending on your usage. This can help in shooting different types of angles for your B-rolls and stuff. Another interesting feature that the Weebill 2 comes with is the ability to automatically follow your movement, something similar to Apple's center stage tech that was revealed a couple of months ago. One other thing we liked on the Weebill 2 was the focus motor. You can control the manual focus of the camera using this rig itself. It is quite helpful if you always shoot in manual, something all the professionals do. The Weebill 2 will cost you Rs 49,000. And the Weebill 2 Pro, its elder sibling, will cost you Rs 75,000. So that was it for this video. What do you guys think about these devices and the pricing it comes at? Let us know in the comments down below. And as always, for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.